How to add transitions between clips in VEED. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on the Create button and select New Project from the drop-down. Upload your video clips by clicking Upload File or dragging and dropping them into the editor. Arrange your clips on the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Then select the clip and click on AI Transitions under the Magic Tools section in the left-hand menu. Scroll through the transitions style from the available options such as Dissolve, Zoom, Cross Blur and many more. To apply a transition, click on the rectangle box between the two videos and select the transition you want. You can add transitions between multiple clips to create a seamless flow, and VEED allows you to preview your video to see how each transition looks before exporting. Using transitions effectively enhances storytelling, keeps viewers engaged and adds a professional touch to your content. Once you have applied transitions, continue enhancing your video with text, subtitles, music or effect. Then export your video ready to share on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram or other platforms. Now you know how to add transitions between clips in VEED. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.